Hello and welcome to Simple French Cooking. My name is Francois. So last week we made that epic blackberry milkshake with the lemon curd whipped cream. The problem is I still have lemon curd left and I still have some blackberry puree left. And so what do we do with it? Gotta do something. I hate wasting. So today we're going to take this sheet of puff pastry and I'm going to teach you how to make this is like saying Worcestershire sauce. I can't say it. Anyways, it's the same in French for this for me. Millefeuille. God, how the hell do you say that properly? Can somebody help a brother out? At any rate, so millefeuille, mispronounced, millefeuille, is 1,000 layers. That's what it translates to. So it's a puff pastry dessert that we're going to layer lemon curd with fresh strawberries, whipped cream, another layer of puff pastry, more of the lemon curd, whipped cream, and strawberries. It's going to be delicious. Anyway, so join me today as I teach you how to make a lemon curd millefeuille. That was a tough one. Alright, so you can cut the puff pastry into any shape you want. You can do circles, triangles, rectangles. I'm just going to keep it super easy today. Let's just cut some rectangles. Another thing, you want to cut with a sharp knife when the dough is still partially frozen. Otherwise you'll get pinched edges, and so when it puffs up it won't be even. It'll be just like kind of stuck on the sides. Like I said, you can make it any size you want. Then we're just going to put these right onto a baking sheet lined with a piece of silicone or parchment. Let's do another line of these guys. Alright, I generally use 3 layers for each dessert. Right there we have not enough because there are 3 of us eating today. So we might as well just do this whole sheet. And you know, if these things aren't perfectly even, it totally doesn't matter. You're not serving professional level pastries where everything has to be manicured. You're just cooking these for yourself at home. And what we're going to do is, after we layer them here, we are going to bake them in the oven at 400 degrees. It's going to take probably about 10 minutes or so till they're nice and golden brown. But first we need to brush these with an egg wash, so let's make that together. To make an egg wash, I use 1 egg. I just beat it, that's it. Some people do just the yolk, maybe a little milk. Some people do the yolk and water, some just do the yolk. Do it whatever way you want. And what the egg wash does is going to help the dough get nice and golden brown on the top and kind of get a shiny look. So I just beat it. Beat it good. One of my first mentors said, people don't eat methods, people eat results. So if you don't have a pastry brush, use your fingers. And what you don't want to get it on the edges. It's going to come out perfect. You don't need to buy every single gadget in the world to cook well. You know, one time I was doing a party and I didn't have a rolling pin. So I grabbed a bottle of wine and I rolled out a dough. I think it was a pizza. You know, it's just like, use what you want. Be the MacGyver of the kitchen. All right. And we're trying not to get the edges because like the egg wash will act just like if you cut it and the dough is not partially frozen. The egg will cook on the sides and pinch the dough. All right. Just got 2 more here. Now remember to preheat your oven ahead of time, and then we're just going to cook it till they're golden brown and nice and puffy, and that should be something like about 10 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's do it. All right, as soon as your puff pastry is done, you're all set to go. Now you could make these like really huge if you wanted to, or you could break each one in half and just do a half. And I think on second thought, that's what I'm gonna do. So let's just take one layer. Then we're gonna take a little spoonful of lemon curd and just spread it on top. And then we're gonna take a little bit of whipped cream, and I'm telling you, this is gonna be a messy but delicious dessert. And then let's take some strawberries, and if you don't have strawberries, you could use blueberries, you could use nothing, really whatever you want. Anything that will go with a lemon. We're just gonna slice it real thin. Put a layer, don't worry so much about this. All right. Now let's put another layer on top. And then a little more lemon curd. And then another layer of whipped cream. And then let's do one more layer of strawberries. This dessert is really simple and quick to make. You could even make the puff pastry the day before if you wanted to, but I recommend cooking it the same day. Boom. I mean, look at that. That just looks fabulous. All right, now let's plate it up. Whoa, look at that. Let's put that on there. All right, then we'll take our leftover blackberry puree. Let's put a little spoonful. Super, super simple. Now here's the best part. Let's give this a taste. Oh my God. You hear how crunchy that is? Wow. Anyways, thanks for watching Simple French Cooking. That was a super, super easy, super quick dessert to make. It's a lemon and strawberry millefeuille. Hope you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe. Hit the bell so you get notifications when new videos come out. I try to put them out every Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Take care. Wow. Mm.